Upgrading your laptop's memory can feel like giving it a new lease on life. And this 16 gigabytes DDR5 SODIMM from PartsQuick promises to do just that for Dell Precision 3591 owners. Specifically designed for compatibility with the Dell Precision 3591, this memory module takes the guesswork out of upgrading. It's a perfect fit, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance. This SODIMM operates at a speedy 4800 MHz, adhering to the PC 5-38400 standard. This faster speed translates to quicker loading times, smoother multitasking, and an overall more responsive system. Whether you're a creative professional running demanding applications or a power user who juggles multiple tasks simultaneously, this RAM upgrade can significantly enhance your workflow. The 262-pin SODIMM form factor ensures it fits perfectly into your Dell Precision 3591's memory slot. Installation is generally straightforward, but always consult your laptop's manual for specific instructions. Operating at a low voltage of 1.1 V, this memory module is energy efficient, which can contribute to longer battery life, especially important for mobile workstations like the Precision 3591. PartsQuick backs this memory with a lifetime warranty and toll-free technical support, offering peace of mind. Knowing that you have support available should any issues arise is a definite plus. The module is also RoHS and halogen-free, aligning with environmental standards. This is a great option for those who are environmentally conscious. In short, if you're looking for a reliable and effective way to boost the performance of your Dell Precision 3591, this 16 gigabytes DDR5 4800MHz SODIMM from PartsQuick is a solid choice. It's fast, energy efficient, and backed by a lifetime warranty, making it a worthwhile investment for improving your laptop's speed and responsiveness.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.